Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip.
Last two talking points before we wrap this. You mentioned, Jay, about nepotism. Firstly, there is notion that that nepotism is bad and all of that. मतलब क्या why such
bullshit, boss.
why such
Doctor के doctor बनते हैं, businessman का businessman. Correct. Nobody is a problem.
Correct. So
and secondly, they work as hard, in fact harder, because they are carrying a legacy. They have only a banyan tree's child gets a chance. Number one. The only advantage they have कि कोई सुन लेता है, कर लेता है. Audience doesn't give you any chances. It's the same journey. Yes. It might get you that first break, which in sometimes first, is a lifetime for people. But it is a tough journey. And fact is this: only the deserving survive. End of the day. And in today's world, with all the mediums we have in OTT space, we have there is enough work for everyone: actors, technicians, everyone. So live and let live, man. Stop cribbing.
So yes, of course, there are other advantages. Yes, there is the first advantage that I had was the fact that Hansal sir knew Anurag Kashyap. He knew Anurag sir, and he asked Anurag sir to take me on as his assistant. But then after that, he left me. Then after that, it's what I do with it, no? If I'm a bad assistant, he would have fired me. He had no reason not to. I was not the best AD, but I became good with time. I only started working with him when I was barely 18. I was 17 years old or 18 years old when I started interning with him. But then it's what you do. You learn, you grow. अभी फर्क ये क्या है ना कि लाइन में तो मैं भी खड़ा था. फर्क बस इतना था कि मैं जहाँ खड़ा था ना वहाँ से व्यू बेटर था काउंटर का. और क्या है इंडस्ट्री की जो पार्टी होती है ना, लाइक इन अ फिल्मी पार्टी आई एम कंसिडर्ड एन आउटसाइडर एंड टू आउटसाइडर्स आई एम कंसिडर्ड टू फिल्मी. That's the difference.
Yeah, but nepotism, I think it's absolutely fine. अगर सुपर ने राइट बोला, अगर डॉक्टर के बेटे डॉक्टर बनेगा तो वो ठीक है. अगर वो अच्छा डॉक्टर है कि नहीं है वो बाद में पता चलेगा. So अगर एक्टर या डायरेक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर का बेटा अगर ब्रेक मिल रहा है, आई एम एन एक्टर माई सेल्फ, लेकिन मुझे कभी नहीं लगा बुरा के बिकॉज यार उसका बेटा है तो ठीक है, अगर वो अच्छा है तो लास्ट करेगा, नहीं है तो नहीं करेगा. ब्रेक तो मिलेगा ना उनको. ये अलग बात है, उनको फर्स्ट चांस, सेकंड चांस, थर्ड चांस मिलेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद तो he has to prove. बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हैं.
And again, when you want to be an actor or a director, anybody, when you're not in the industry, you know the facts of the industry. You know the true picture. कि ऐसा भी मौका मिलता है और ऐसा ही मौका मिलता है और ये तरीका भी है, ये तरीका भी है. असिस्टेंट बन के भी डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ, पढ़ाई करके भी डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ, सीधा डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ विच वे व्हाट यू टेक. यू आर अवेयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. यू आर नॉट ब्लाइंड. सो स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग. गेट ऑन विद इट यार. यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम. लाइफ इज टू शॉर्ट.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी भी है, हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है बाहर वालों के लिए, लेकिन इफ यू गुड ना कभी you will be there.
I have no background in anything. I'm writing, I'm directing, I'm shooting, I'm producing. कर रहा हूँ ना.
What is the difference with, like, in my case, the only difference I have from someone else is that I have a slightly better understanding of camera angles, formats, and screenplay, writing, and all of that.
Basically,
then someone else. That's it. But that's what is the difference. I have a little insider information, but isn't that what you're taught, to use whatever you know in order to get whatever you want? That is something we're all taught through school, in your jobs. Use whatever information and knowledge you have to achieve whatever it is that you want. What is wrong with doing what I'm doing, or what any of these other kids who are, and I feel, I'm still in a very easy place where I don't have that my baggage isn't as, like, I see some, really big star kids and all. Man, it's hard. The way people troll them, if they make one wrong move or anything, it's like no one deserves that.
Yeah, but if they get a chance,
no one deserves to be treated that way, whether good or bad. At the end of the day, there's still someone's kid, there's someone's sibling, there's some,
And as a parent, I want the best for my child. उसमें क्या मतलब बुराई है?
क्या बुरा है?
Who doesn't want the best for the child?
I know for a fact that he would love his, his son when he grows up.
If Avan wants to be a director or actor, I'll make him. Yeah, I mean, I'll at least give him that incentive. कि ठीक है, come to my set.
Or you assist me. Or assist me. You know, he'll
If
send
you're
his son to
good,
assist
great.
me.
If you're bad, I'll tell you कि भाई कुछ और कर.
तो ये तो बहुत सिमिलर हो गया ना. अगर एक
भाई,
दोस्त,
if his
अगर
son
आपका
is
कोई
bad,
दोस्त एक्टर है
industry
and you
बोलेगी
want to
उसको
become an
कुछ और
actor, you would go up to him or her and ask,
Yeah.
be like कि यार सुनना, casting से बात करवा दे यार एक बार, यार intro बनवा दे यार.
And
What
fact
is
is
wrong?
अगर कोई अच्छा नहीं है ना, nobody gives you a leg up.
Correct. Correct. So I just wanted all of your thoughts in terms of the entire nepotism controversy or whatever that's happening
Yeah,
on the internet.
it
It is
depends,
what
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
see, at the end of
It's
the-
just
I'll tell you
unnecessarily
something.
media. It's a nice talking point right now.
हाँ.
Yeah.
4 साल कोई बात
and
नहीं करेगा.
The truth is,
कुछ और बात करेगा. It's one of those things.
मुझे
Just a talking
बताओ
point.
कि
Nothing
अगर
else.
आप एक फिल्म पे, आप प्रोड्यूसर हो, ठीक है, आपने 50 करोड़ डाली एक फिल्म पर बनाने के लिए, तुम उसमें नए एक्टर को लोगे? तुमने अपने जेब से 50 करोड़ डाले, नए एक्टर को लेके रिस्क डालोगे कि चलना, let's take a punt on him, let's see if the film does well. Will you put that money in yourself, or will you say no, I at least want my 50 crores back, let's take a big known actor?
Hedge your bets. You go to a hedge fund
What
manager
will
who's new, or you
what
go to a
would
hedge
you
fund
do?
manager who's
What would
Motilal
you do
Oswal.
in
Of
that
course,
position?
I would think about it कि यार
Because it's money.
It's money involved,
So
yeah,
at the
of
end,
course.
It's business. No, it's a
Yeah.
business plan.
And there is
You
no
hedge your
demand.
bets.
Why are you paying these big actors the kind of money that they're being paid? They have earned that following. They give you a minimum guaranteed return on the investment that you are making. At the end of the day, we forget that this is a business. This is not me being a painter with one canvas, a bunch of paints and a brush doing everything alone.
And then
This
a
is
painter
me-
will realize that, listen, these paintings sell, these do not. Let me evolve my craft or market myself in a way that these paintings become relevant.
But that is still one person. This is a very expensive art. It requires a village, an army of people. यार 300 लोग लगते हैं एक फिल्म बनाने में.
It's good to read Ayn Rand and
Resources.
want to be a Howard Roark. Howard Roarks don't survive. It doesn't work that way. And end of the day, everybody wants to make commercial shit. Even the independent filmmakers, end of the day, make studio films only.
No, I relate to this because, like, all that you all mentioned about this, because we've produced a film before. We've done a Bengali film before, and we were very much sure as to the kind of actors we wanted for the film, and we cast Rituparna Sengupta ma'am and Victor Banerjee for the roles.
Why
because
didn't you
we
take a
were,
new actor?
Sorry.
Why didn't you take a new actor?
Of course, I mean, you mentioned it. You answered it yourself that
Exactly
there's
right.
money involved,
So
right?
there's nothing wrong
So
with
these
it.
questions should stop
And
being
what
asked.
if-
No, is my
and
question.
No,
thing
no.
is, okay.
My point is, sir, क्या होता है ना, एक तो हम क्लोज रूम में बात करें तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछना नहीं पूछना, it's a different story. But इंटरनेट पे बहुत बातें हो रही है. And because I'm sitting here
But
with
again, it's
you
for the
guys,
industry. Nobody talking about, say, Telugu, Tamil or Malayalam film or Kannada film like this, कि वहाँ भी तो है, मतलब यार, सब first family of cinema ही है. कोई बात नहीं कर
वहाँ तो बहुत
रहा.
ज़्यादा.
यहाँ it's fashionable to
yeah,
shit
I've
on
heard this-
Bollywood. Why?
और
Why are we shitting on Hindi films
हाँ.
and Hindi filmmakers? Why? Is it fashion? It's fashionable.
It's easier.
So nepotism
It's easy, no,
तो
lowest
मेरा
hanging
मानना है,
fruit.
जो जहाँ पर है वो डिजर्व करता है इसलिए वहाँ पर है. अगर वो डिजर्व
And if
नहीं
you're
करता तो
bad,
वहाँ
I
पर
mean,
नहीं होता.
I don't want to
Tell me
name,
who
I
at the
don't want
top
to
is bad
name-
today and doesn't deserve to be there.
Yeah.
Audiences will not spend that kind of money on anybody who doesn't,
Yeah.
he or she
एक
does
भी
not deserve to be
इंसान
there.
Of course,
बोलो, एक भी
of course,
actor
of
बोलो,
course.
And there are enough examples of people who have not been able to crack it or do it, no? And doesn't mean they're working any less. They are also fathers. They are also someone's, son. They are also somebody, no? At the end of the day.
It's time we stop shitting
They
on
have
people.
they have a kid. That kid doesn't know, oh, my father is the son of such a big star. उसको 5 साल के बच्चे को थोड़ी समझ है. लेकिन जब पूरी दुनिया मजाक उड़ाती है उस आदमी का, तो बच्चे को कैसे लगेगा?
I remember when you spoke about Shah Rukh Khan. I just read, I heard him saying this, कि I wanted my youngest son to know what a star I was or something like that. And then Jawan and Pathan happened and stuff. Because he's not seen the
He
craze.
doesn't know.
Huh? Yeah, he's not seen the
People
craze. ये वो क्या थे. So अभी उन्हें बच्चे को पता चला कि what he is. And वो उसका achievement था. How amazing that is.
Unfortunately, my sisters are too young. They're not able to watch any of the stuff we make.
They will watch very soon.
सारी adult फिल्में हैं. तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख पाए.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.